Hi there! In this demo, I would like to showcase Plauti's brand new duplicate check for Dynamics 365. The easiest and most efficient way to find, merge and prevent duplicate records. Let me show you the best way to clean up your database. First, we want to prevent new duplicates from coming into the database. So let's dive right into the entity configuration. I'm going to set up duplicate prevention for the lead entity. However, duplicate check for Dynamics works with all entities, and that includes your custom entities. At first, we should decide what is a duplicate in our environment. We configure this using scenarios, and you can have multiple scenarios per entity tied to different prevention features. First, I'm going to set up a very strict scenario to hard block the creation of duplicates. For the strict scenario, I'm going for exact matching, and I'll use the first name, the last name and the email field. If these are all equal, we consider this to be a duplicate that we want to block. Now, let's set up a more loose scenario as well. This scenario we use to warn users that they may be creating a potential duplicate. For the more loose scenario, I'm going to use the first name, the last name and the company field. This could potentially be a duplicate, but it doesn't have to be one. Now I'm going to apply these scenarios. The loose scenario is going to warn the user as they type, and the strict scenario is going to hard block on save. I'm applying this to both the regular lead form as well as the quick create form. And now that the prevention is set up, let's publish our configuration. Now let's move over to the sales app, and we're going to create a new lead. Our loose scenario kicks in, and it warns me that I'm creating a potential duplicate. I'm still able to save, since this scenario does not hard block, but it only encourages me to review the potential duplicate. However, if I also enter an existing email, the creation is blocked entirely by the strict scenario when I click Save. The scenarios offer flexibility to tailor the way the duplicate check finds duplicate records to your organization's need. Now that the duplicates are prevented from entering the database, we want to address the existing duplicates. And one way to do this is by enabling the duplicate search when opening a record. I'm going to set it up for leads using a scenario that I've created before. Now, when I'm opening a record that has some duplicates, we get notified right away. From this screen, I'm directly able to merge them. I'm selecting the fields that I want to keep, and I can merge it right from the record page. And now I'm left with only a master record that I can work with, and all related records of the duplicates have been reparented to the master as well. We're able to merge up to 15 records at once. To search for duplicates in our entire database, we can leverage duplicate check jobs. It allows to find all duplicate records in any entity in a batch job, no matter the number of records in the entity. After running a job, we can then review and merge duplicate records right from within Dynamics 365. Let's run a job on the lead entity. We can use one or multiple scenarios that we've created before for this job. Let's use a scenario with fuzzy matching enabled that I've created before. Fuzzy matching is able to find similar records regardless of potential typos. Now I wait for the job to complete. Alright, so let's have a look at the results. Similar records are grouped together, and you'll see we're able to find similar records regardless of the typos that have been made in the name. From the job we can merge similar records all at once and clean up our existing database. So there you have it. That concludes our duplicate check walkthrough. This is how to clean up your database and prevent new duplicates from coming in. To explore more features and solutions, make sure to check our website or directly download the app and try it out for yourself.